This is Highfinder Expo Highlights. Welcome. Today I'm joined by Eldad Ohayon from Habonim. Eldad,
Hi, good morning.
what are you presenting at the show today?
We are presenting here the H25. It's the first and only dual certified hydrogen valve in the world, and it is certified for both TPED as well as ISO 19880 for fueling stations.
So dual certified means it has two certifications.
It has more than that, but it has two main certifications.
Okay.
So I will list the certifications
Yes.
it has.
Yes.
It has the ATEX 2C,
ATEX 2C, okay.
obviously.
Yeah.
It supports a safety integrity level for both levels 2 and 3.
Yes.
It is certified and tested according to ISO 10497 for the fire safe,
Okay, okay.
and according to ISO 15848 for fugitive emissions. On top of that, it is certified according to the Euro Directive for Pressurized Equipment for Transportation, the TPED, according to ISO 23826. And last but not least, it is certified for ISO 19880, which it makes it qualified for hydrogen dispensers.
Okay. Wow. Okay. So respect that you know all that offhand, and that you have. So I mean that already, I think, qualifies Habonim. You guys seem to really know your stuff. But okay. So dual certification. Where would I need a dual certification? In what kind of application?
So, anywhere in the hydrogen supply chain, you will have a need of either transporting hydrogen.
Yes.
This is where the TPED comes to act.
Yes.
And the refueling stations, which are popping out nowadays as mushrooms after the rain.
Yeah.
You would require the ISO 19880 in order to put a valve or any other fitting, for that matter, into the dispensing system.
Okay.
Lastly, in some cases, there are transportable refueling stations.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Mobile ones.
And then that would be the right and natural fit for those systems because it has all certifications required.
Okay. So transportable. This is. Oh wow. This is what is this? 2-3 kilograms or what?
It's about 10 kilograms.
10 kilo. Oh wow. Okay.
Because it is actuated.
Yes. Okay. So there's an actuator in there, and the actual valve is it this part? Oh,
Correct.
yeah.
So let's have a look at what we're seeing here. Okay.
Yeah.
We have the valve.
Yeah.
This is the unit,
Yes.
and it has.
So that means you connect the pipes here.
Correct. This is where you
here.
connect.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you can shut off.
Yeah,
Okay.
and you have panel mount threads that you can secure the valve on your system.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
We have the connecting device for the actuator.
the actuator. Okay.
Yes.
The actuator seems to be the really heavy parts. Yeah.
Correct.
So this is the connecting device. Okay.
And
so
that
what does it do? It turns. Oh.
Yes. So this is a ball valve.
Yes.
And the ball valve
Yes.
is operated by a quarter turn rotation
Yes.
of the ball.
Yeah.
And it is here it is aided by the pneumatic actuator.
Okay. So here we see so it's shut at the moment.
Correct.
Right? Okay.
Correct.
So this is a pneumatic activator, and you have the pneumatic connections here.
Correct. The air, both inlet and outlet.
Okay.
But in this case, it will be an inlet, and it will be shut off with a spring aiding.
What kind of pressures does it need on the pneumatic side?
On the pneumatic side, it would require a 6 psi air inlet. And just a bit more about the valve, it is to pressures up to 550 bar, which is 8,000 psi.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, and it comes in a variety of end connections. In this case, it's a CTM. It's a common thread for medium pressures, but it can be NPT, BSPP, or BSPPT.
So up to how many bar would this go?
This would go up to 550 bar.
Okay, but you guys make basically this is your range, or you go higher, lower? I mean, for refuel applications,
We have
sometimes you have 7.
Yes, we have
800 bar.
fuel range. In case of transportation, we have 3 products to support 500, 550, and 700 bar, because we see a trend for hiring up the pressure in the tube trailers to increase efficiency. When it comes to refueling, we have 2 valves certified for ISO 19880.
Okay.
The H25, again for 550 bar, to support the H35 refueling systems, which are for 350 bar,
exactly.
correct? And the H99 to support the H70 system, of 700 bar fuel.
Okay, just two more things. I know that dual certification is already something. Is there something unique about this one? In terms of a valve comparison to others?
Yes, the materials of choice.
Ah, right.
When it comes to hydrogen, we always need to take in mind the hydrogen gas embrittlement.
Yes.
So, meaning that in certain circumstances of high pressure and high temperature, throughout time, you may experience micro cracks that later lead to bigger cracks.
Yes,
By choosing the right materials, in this case the stainless steel, you can avoid such cracks.
This is on the valve side also.
Yeah, that would be on the valve side where the hydrogen as a media is flowing.
Okay. Just can you give us a bit of an outlook? So where are you guys going with this? Are you making even bigger, smaller valve? Are they going to be lighter?
So
give us a bit of an outlook, please.
Yeah, we are working currently on numerous projects.
Yes.
Where I would like to share with you that we are working currently on a valve for liquid hydrogen to support the liquid hydrogen supply chain.
Super.
That's first. We are going to work on valves that support the piping transportation.
Yes.
We know that in Europe there is a trend, or we're looking for hydrogen transportation via old LNG pipes.
All right.
So we are working on class 3500 and 4500 class valves welded to support that application. And lastly, we are working on small valves to support the supply chain in cases where such highly certified valves are not required.
Oh, okay. So now you have, and those will be probably smaller or less costly.
So the last one I've mentioned will gonna be dramatically smaller.
Yeah.
And but the rest will be depending, but it will be bigger.
Okay.
I can tell you.
Eldad, thank you very much for bringing this along and for sharing all this. This was really interesting. Dual certification just in one device, and it is quite heavy. Thank you guys for watching, and I wish you a good day and a good show.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you.